Hi, welcome to Synchronized Lighting product videos. In this video we will teach you how to set up and run your product. When you're adding more than one controller to your light show, it's worth remembering that all of our controllers leave the factory as preset number 1. You cannot have more than one, or you cannot have two number 1s on the same network. So go into Device Manager, click on COM 3, and it will, if it's connected, it will automatically find your controller number 1. What you do is change the ID here. Say on this show we're going to call it number 5, and we would say controller, call it what you want here, so control number 5. It's just so you remember, and then don't forget you need to press save. When you press save, OK to that, then what happens is when you open up now, when you open it up, it won't find it because obviously now it's number 5. So when you daisy chain, you cannot have more than one number 1. Useful tip when you're creating your show: never call a controller number 1. Always call it number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and so on. Purely because when they leave the factory they're number 1. Then you can add them in line and change them then. Now for this show I've connected 2 controllers, but for the life of me I can't remember which numbers they are. So click on search, and it will go, there we go. So it's number 2 and number 5. So just so you know. And then what you do is close. Now what you do is go to number 2, and there's number 2. Number 3, there's nothing, no controller found. Number 5 is found a controller. In this part of the device manager, I show you how to individually control each bulb. First of all, if you change to 0, that controls every light. So now the computer now has control of every bulb. So you red and green to change the colour, just a mixture of colours that will change. If you change this channel here to number 7, it just changes bulb number 7. So you can have that as green and then add the blue to it, makes it, take the blue out, put the red in, make it mauve. So if you wanted to, you could control, say, bulb number 7, and then if you move on to, say, bulb 15, you can have bulb 15 come on as mauve because the blue's already in, but if you take the blue out, it then becomes red. Go back to bulb number 2, take the red out, put the green in. You can do that. Then what you need to do is go to 0. They all go, adding every single colour. That makes them all white, and you take the colours back out again. Turns them all back off. This concludes our video. Thank you very much for watching. For any more information, please do not hesitate to contact one of our team.